Hey my divas, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I was so excited to bring you this video today. I had to go back to Amazon and order seconds, a duplicate set. Well, not a duplicate set. These are different colors, but this set of Polygel by Candy Lover. I got my first set, these 6, about a month ago, and I used them on this one finger, and I absolutely am. I'm in love. I am in love. I was looking for a polygel that was thinner, and I actually got a comment from a subscriber that said that these Candy Lover polygels are actually not polygel. They're actually builder gel in a tube. So that's exactly what I wanted. It doesn't need slip solution. They advertise it as polygel and they give you dual forms and all that kind of stuff, but it's not polygel. It's a builder gel because the consistency is so much thinner. I'll show you an example and a full review of this. If you would like to see that sooner than later, leave a comment below and let me know. But I got different colors than what I originally had. So these are only $11 at the moment on Amazon. Snag them up. A lot of people are trying to use them like builder gel because I had the slip solution and everything ready, but I mean, I'm sorry, they're trying to use it as polygel, but it's not. You can just squeeze it over your finger. Okay, this is turning into a review and I don't want to do that. This is a quick Amazon haul of what I just got in the mail. So I got this. And I also ordered, you already saw this in a previous haul video, the Candy Lover base coat and top coat, because I don't really like mixing brands. So I wanted to get as much as possible in the same brand as I can so that nothing will like activate or deactivate what I needed to do. Everything will work in harmony with one another. The next thing I was excited about was this I don't know. Anyway, it's builder gel in a bottle. So I really want to try a builder gel in the bottle. This is builder base. So it's kind of confusing. I'm hoping that it is, well, I can see that right now if it's thicker than most. Oh yes, that is a builder gel. Oh yes, that's super duper thick. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with this. This is another gem. This was only $9.99 for both of these. I will do a full review on them, but I might need to go and get a second bottle of this. If it's as good as I think it's going to be, then I definitely need to go and get a backup before they go up on the price. Because you know, once people start figuring out that stuff is good. Oh, this is so thick. Oh yes, this is a builder gel. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I need to back up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Okay, we're going to review that later and talk about that later. The next thing I got, I needed $3 more to get the $25 for free shipping on Amazon because I let my Prime membership go. Because ain't nobody trying to be paying $12.99 for something that ships the same amount of time if you didn't have Amazon Prime. I'm just saying. But anyway, this was only $6. This Rhinestone Glue Gel Kit with 2 rhinestone glue gels, no wipe. Then it had, now this sold me, all of these cute gems in here. They have some bows, some moons, some stars, some teardrops, some hearts. Oh my goodness, butterflies. This is awesome. And then this is what like sold me, like all of these different shapes in here, the stars. Oh, shells, hearts, moons, feathers. Ooh, seashells. Oh, yes. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. All of that. And then it has the tool here with the brush so that you can dip your gel out, and a daughter tool so that you can place your stones. And it came in this cute gold bag that I am keeping. We're going to tear this right here off. Okay, I'll do that later. And we keeping this little bag. Oh, yes. Love it. And it has the little tips and instructions telling you how to do it. But yes, that is what I got from Amazon. I am super excited with all of my purchase goodies. So comment below if you have any of these products, or if you would like to see a review on these products ASAP. You know, the more you comment and let me know, the quicker I will get the review out or the demonstration. So, you know, just comment and let me know which one you would like to see, if you would like to see any of them. And make sure you like the video if you enjoy this content, and consider subscribing, and share the video if you find this content interesting. Share it with some friends and some family. Girl, get it out there. We doing this on a budget. Let them save some coins too. And don't forget to check out this playlist right here, where you can find other haul videos that I have done in the past to show you all of the great prices and great deals that I have found, and I'm going to continue to find and share with you. So thank you again. You have a wonderful rest of the day, my divas. Stay beautiful.